Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Philly cheesesteak sliders. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a 9x13 baking pan. I have some dinner rolls and I cut them in half. These are the bottoms and here's the top. That's going to be really quick and easy. I'm going to start by, I have some Italian blend cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. You can get sliced white American cheese and put it in here. It's going to put a nice layer of cheese in here, guys. And I didn't spray anything in my pan here because it's stoneware, but if you use a stainless steel pan, you might want to put some canola or vegetable cooking spray in there to keep it from sticking. Now I have my cheese, and I have some sandwich steaks here, steakums, that I broke up and fried up. This is a 21 pack of steaks. I'm just going to get this in here on top of my rolls and cheese, and I'm shaking off the excess grease as I go. And I seasoned my steak up with some salt and pepper while it was frying for some extra flavor. And you just want to spread your steak around in here. Alright, now that I have all of my steak in here, you can see that made a nice layer of steak in here, guys. I have some 2 green bell peppers and 2 onions I fried up in a little bit of olive oil. We're going to spread that on there. You could also do mushrooms in this, guys, but you guys who've been watching me for a while know that my son Eric doesn't do mushrooms, and it's kind of hard to pull them out of this for him, so we're just leaving them out. But if everybody in the family liked mushrooms, we would definitely have them in here because they are a delicious addition. Okay, you just want to spread these out even. We're looking good, guys. Now I have some marinara sauce here. This is optional, but I'm adding this for extra flavor. And this is about a half a jar. This is a, let me see here, guys. This is a 23-ounce jar. This is left over from the other night when we had the strombolis. So it's a good use of leftovers, guys, so don't go to waste. You can also use a pasta sauce in here if you can't get marinara. And that half a jar, which would be 12.5 ounces, is just going to work out fine for this. Alright guys, that's looking good. And I'm going to put some more cheese in here. And the cheese is going to not only make this cheesy and delicious, but it's also going to work like a glue to hold our buns on. Add a little more cheese over here. And I'm using up all my half packs of cheese that I had in the fridge because my kids, they can't use 1 pack up. They have to open up 20 of them. Alright guys, we're looking good. Nice healthy layer. I'm going to put my top buns on. And they don't have to be perfect. You just want them on there covering up your stuff underneath. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes uncovered until all our cheese melts, our sauce heats through, and our buns get toasted. And then that'll be ready to go. Alright guys, this is done. It took 10 minutes, just came out of the oven. You can see how the top of the rolls are nice and toasty. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. And I'm going to use a fork because you can see that steak is all chipped there and it would fall all over and make a terrible mess. Hear how crispy that roll is. You get the flavor of the steak, you get the peppers, the onions. Let me get a little bit here with some sauce. That's really good, guys. It tastes like a Philly cheesesteak. Alright, there you have it. Philly cheesesteak sliders. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.